Hello everyone, my name is Yuresh Kumar. Well, the group presentation of the Group 2 on the East Africa. My other team members are Yasmin, Emma, and Dawson. East Africa is a diverse region located in the east part of the African continent. It stretches from the equator down to the southern Africa, and it is bordered by the Indian Ocean on its eastern coast. The region is home to the Great Rift Valley, one of the most significant geographical features in the world, as well as a Horn of Africa which extend into the Arabian Sea. East Africa includes a mix of highland and coastal areas, creating a rich variety of landscape and ecosystem. The strategic location has made East Africa a good region for trade, culture, and migration. Moving on here are the list of countries with their capital cities present in East Africa. There are many kinds of countries in East Africa, and each one has its own past and identity. Nairobi is Kenya's busy capital city and the site of many foreign organizations such as the UN. Kenya is known as the wildlife and safaris. The capital city, Ethiopia, and Addis Ababa, Ethiopia, is one of the oldest countries in the world and known as the birthplace of the coffee. Tanzania has the Mount Kilimanjaro, which is the largest mountain in Africa. Similarly, Kenya is known as the Pearl of Africa, and Gino, located in Kenya, which is the Nile starts. Rwanda is known for its beautiful landscapes, and Kigali, its main city, is known for the beginning clean and safe. These cities are not only the political hubs of their countries and also they are cultural and economic hubs of those countries. Moving on the major landmarks, the Great Rift Valley is the vast range stretching across the East Africa is one of the most iconic landmarks, featuring stunning escarpments and a fertile valley. Another important mountain present here is Mountain Kilimanjaro in Tanzania is the highest peak in Africa, which attracts adventure from around the world. The Nile River, the world's longest river, originates in Uganda, Lake Victoria, which is Africa's largest freshwater lake, and the shade by the Kenya, Tanzania, and Uganda. East Africa is also home to Lake Tanganyika, one of the world's deepest lake. Lake Malawi is known as for the vibrant fish species. The landform are a major attraction for tourism and significant exploration of the region. So in last, talking about the climate now, East Africa climate is very diverse as its landscape ranging from the tropical savannahs to arid deserts. Countries like Kenya and Tanzania experience tropical climates with alternating wet and dry seasons, which is ideal for the wildlife reserve, but parts of Somalia and Ethiopia experience arid the semi-arid climates. So they have desert landscape and a hot temperature. The equatorial region of the Uganda and Rwanda are rainforests to receive the heavy rainfall year round. The Ethiopian highlands and the elevated areas experience cooler temperature, creating more temperature climate. These different type of climates affect agriculture, wildlife, and human settlement in the region.
Hello, my name is Dawson Moua, and the sections I worked on are the East Africa resources, the East Africa population, and the East Africa populated nations. For the East Africa resources, they get many resources from agriculture, mineral, and others. For agricultural resources, they mainly get their resources from Tanzania, such as coffee and tea, flowers, and cash crops. For mineral resources, they get minerals such as gold and copper, tanzanite, which is a rare blue gemstone and is located on the foothills of Mount Kilimanjaro. Other resources East Africa gets is oil and natural gas. What they also get is energy and renewable energy. For the East Africa population, as of 2024 now, it is approximately 513 million people in East East Africa. But by the year of 2030, it is predicted to be skyrocketing to 579 million people at the rate it's going at. Now, what makes these numbers go up so high are its most populated areas of East Africa, such as Ethiopia, Kenya, Uganda, and Sudan. Now for the populated nations of East Africa. Now the most populated nations were the ones that I said from earlier, which was Ethiopia, Kenya, Uganda, and Sudan. Ethiopia in 2020 was the second largest population in East Africa. It had 85 million people around 2010, but now today it has 123 million people. In Kenya, there are 55 million people today. And in that area, in that nation, there are many ethnic groups. One, for example, is the Maasai group, which is a small minority group. However, they stand out. Although they are small, they stand out because of the amount of jewelry they have on. And now for the Uganda nation. In 2020, they were the largest population in Eastern Africa. Now today, they are 49 million people in Uganda. And there is around 56 ethnic groups, which to expect puts a lot of variety of diverse culture. Once again, I am Dawson Moua. Thank you for listening to my section.